I'm not going to go that far. So each person also gets to set limits on how far they want to push or exploit their health. Now, right now, that's my standard, but who knows? Maybe in a year, I'll be doing balance beam flips. I don't know. I doubt it, but it's anything is possible. But the important thing to understand is that your health is your servant. You are not the servant of your health. You are the one in charge. And so you need to take charge, and you need to understand that your health is a tool, and maintain your health the same way you would maintain the sharp edge on a knife, for example. You would never maintain a sharp edge on a machete so you could chop your onions. No. You would get a different knife, maybe a different edge. And that's the way you should see your health. So there's no way that a laboratory test could tell you if you're healthy, or predict for you what your life might be, or how long it might be. And doctors, if you trust them, will tell you, well, I really can't say.